So today we're going to learn how to factor. And when we think about factors, factors are the values that multiply to give us our value that we are looking for. So for example, we're going to do this example first. And here we want to find the factors of 6. So the factors of 6 are going to be the factors that multiply to get 6. So we know that if we multiply 1 times 6, that's going to give us 6, right? 1 times 6 gives us 6. Then we're going to think about, is it divisible by 2? It is divisible by 2. 2 times 3 get me 6. Is it divisible by 4? It is not divisible by 4. Is it divisible by 5? It is not divisible by 5. And we know that the only values that are factors of 6 then are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now we're looking at 144. So 144 is going to have a little bit more of the factors. So we're going to try, obviously we always know 1 times that number is always going to get me that 144. And then we know it's going to be divisible by 2 because any even number is always going to be divisible by 2. So the number that you multiply times 2 is going to be 72. Then we're going to think, is it divisible by 3? It actually is. It's 3 and 48. Is it divisible by 4? It is. It is 36. And we still have more values. Is it divisible by 5? No, because remember, if it's divisible by 5, the number is always going to end in 0 or 5. Is it divisible by 6? We're going to see 144 divided by 6. It is actually, it is 6 and 24. Is it divisible by 7? Most likely it's not because it's an odd number. Is it divisible by 8? If it's divisible by 4, usually it will be divisible by 8. So it's 8 and 18. Is it divisible by 9? It's not going to be divisible by 9. It actually is going to be divisible by 9. It's going to be 16 and 9. Is it divisible by 10? It's not because it doesn't end in 0. So we only know it's divisible by 10 when it ends at 0. By 11, it definitely is not divisible by 11. And by 12, it is because it is the perfect square root of 12, which means that 12 times 12 give me 144. So as we see, 144 has a lot of factors.